The rear door of the Citroen Xsara Picasso. Well, first of all, get the key and unlock the door. Door is unlocked. Then come here, and it has a button here. It's an electric button. This large one, press that one, and it's unlocked. Okay, this is an older one, so I have to push it down a little bit. That's a rear camera here. That's the button that you have to press. Okay, and this way it's opened, and to close it, to lock it, lock the driver's door. Now this one is locked, and this is locked also. There's no click sound anymore. It's an electric button.